రాజ్యసభలో ప్రత్యేక హోదా సావధాన తీర్మానంపై చర్చ జరుగుతోంది. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Remind them and also request that for once let this not be a jumla, let this election promise be fulfilled.
Okay, thank you. Dr. Keshav Rao, 2 minutes only, 2 minutes only.
I have a specific. The coalition, Mr. Minister, is very specific. They have called your attention to the fact of two things. One is what happened in the House here, which is a part of the bill. A decision has been given to the chair that what was discussed and what was promised by the Prime Minister of the day on the floor of this House to the continuation when people asked, can it be brought codified as one of the clauses? He said, no, the Prime Minister's assurance is well. So the attention we are drawing you is, this House has passed some kind of an opinion or kind of an act which has to be implemented. Now you have brought in what is known as now the 14th Finance Commission. If I have to believe your 14th Finance Commission, according to the statement, the 14th Finance Commission chairman, a good friend of mine, Y.V. Reddy, tells us in Hyderabad, in open meeting, that we have never recommended that the special category should be cancelled. Because I was sharing the platform with him on that day, we tried to find out the difference, subtleties, the niceties, and what exactly is meant by special category and what exactly meant by transfer of votes. 14th Finance Commission only is concerned with the devolution of the funds from the taxes to the states. You have done well, everybody is happy. But here is, through the bill, what we are asking is, please, if it whether call is said, because special category state is not there in the Constitution. It's a new nomenclature that we are giving to the development. What we are asking today is, this House, this government, these very people, representative people, wanted some kind of aid to be given to Andhra. If you think it is not nothing to do with the 14th Finance Commission, the calling a decision motion therefore calls that the NDC be called in. As one of my friends, Krishna said, let there be no categorizations. Let there be a discussion so how many categories you would like to have, how the backward classes will return. That is exactly the question. It is not about the devolution. It is not about you are saying. If NDC Council is taking the place of NDC, if you are, Niti National Council is taking the place of NDC, then let us understand it is not there in the Act at all. It is not there in your executive orders at all. It is never, nowhere in your memos given to us. However, since you are saying, if it takes, let it keep itself to the transfer the funds, devolution funds, but not the basic issue that we have raised, that a state like this, on the special circumstances, or because of special issues, raised on that day, needs a special category, or a special status, or a special help, or a special look.
Okay, thank you. The last, Honorable LOP.
Sir, मुझे भाषण नहीं करना है. 2-3 पॉइंट्स में पूछना चाहूँगा माननीय मिनिस्टर से. एक तो कॉलिंग अटेंशन के बारे में मैं चाहूँगा कि आंध्रा प्रॉमिस किया गया था कि स्पेशल कैटेगरी स्टेट में लिया जाना चाहे. उसके लिए मैं माननीय मंत्री जी से कहूँगा, रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आंध्र प्रदेश डिजर्व करता है स्पेशल स्टेटस. लेकिन जो स्पेशल कैटेगरी स्टेटस जिनको दिया गया है 10 स्टेटों में, वो सबसे छोटी स्टेटें हैं, पहाड़ी स्टेटें हैं, जिनका रेवेन्यू का कोई भी साधन है. जैसे जम्मू कश्मीर, वहां कोई भी रेवेन्यू नहीं. उत्तराखंड, हिमाचल प्रदेश, नॉर्थ ईस्ट. तो उनके लिए मैं माननीय मंत्री जी से पूछना चाहूंगा, जब यूपीए गवर्नमेंट थी तो जो नॉर्मल फंडिंग उनके फाइनेंस कमीशन के द्वारा होती थी, उसके अलावा सीएस होता था, स्पेशल सेंट्रल असिस्टेंस, इन तमाम स्पेशल कैटेगरी स्टेट्स को दी जाती थी. लेकिन जब से एनडीए गवर्नमेंट आई तो ये स्पेशल सेंटर असिस्टेंस जो है ये बंद कर दिया. तो ये तो मूल्य बात है स्पेशल कैटेगरी के लिए. आप स्पेशल कैटेगरी में आप लाओगे भी स्टेटों को, लेकिन जो कंसेशंस थी वो विड्रॉ की जाएं तो फायदा क्या है स्पेशल कैटेगरी स्टेटस का. इसी तरह से दूसरा कंसेशन था इन स्टेट्स को, स्पेशल कैटेगरी स्टेट्स को, कि सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड जितनी भी स्कीम थी उनमें 90 और 10 90% फंडिंग गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया देती थी, 10% स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. ये हमारे यूपीए गवर्नमेंट में थी। लेकिन जब से नई गवर्नमेंट आई, उसको कहीं 60-40 किया है, कहीं 75-25 किया है, तो कहीं 50-50 किया है। तो ये दूसरी एक बड़ी कंसेशन थी जो स्पेशल कैटेगरी स्टेटस को दी जाती थी, ये विड्रॉ कर दी गई है। इसके साथ साथ जो जितने भी पहाड़ी इलाके हैं, चाहे जम्मू कश्मीर हो या दूसरी स्टेटें हो, यहां इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस मेंटेन करना सबसे बड़ा। अगर हमें सड़क बनानी है तो पहाड़ के बीच में लगाना है, पहाड़ गिर जाएगा, पेड़ गिर जाएंगे, उसके लिए स्पेशल फंडिंग होनी चाहिए। डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट, कश्मीर में 2 साल पहले बाढ़ आ गया, पूरा कश्मीर उसमें दब गया, उससे डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट के लिए हमारी स्पेशल असिस्टेंट होनी चाहिए स्पेशल कैटेगरी स्टेट्स को। ये तमाम चीजें, कैटेगरी खाली स्पेशल कैटेगरी लिख दिया स्पेशल कैटेगरी, और कंसेशन नई तो कोई दी नहीं, और जो पुरानी थी वो भी विड्रॉ कर दी। इसीलिए हम एनडीसी की मीटिंग चाहते हैं कि उसमें चर्चा हो, जितने भी चीफ मिनिस्टर्स हैं इन स्पेशल कैटेगरी स्टेट्स के और ऑफिसर्स हैं, उनको अपनी बात करने का मौका देना चाहिए और वो कंसेशन उनको वापस करनी चाहिए। ये मेरी बात।
Okay, thank you, Honorable Minister. No, it is not there. Your name is not there. No, I'm sorry, it is not there. No, your name is not there. Neither in the list nor I got later. No, no, no. It is not here. Not here. So how can you say that? No, your name is not there. No. It is not there. I cannot allow that. It is not there. It's very simple. It is not it is not party wise. You see, calling attention is not party wise. Only if the name is received here, I will call. I cannot call anybody else. No, your name is not there in any case.
Started.
What can I do?
Gave the name of Chandra Das.
No, Minister. No, I
Chandra
can't
Das.
allow. This cannot be. Eh?
Tirupura Sadhna Dev.
She is not there. What can I do?
She is there.
Where is she? No. It is not party. I am telling you, see, it is not party-wise. If it is party-wise, I would have called another person. Calling attention, we go by the name. Whichever party, we don't bother. Now, Jarnadas by the... No, you could have sent me a slip. No, C.P. Narayanan, I always accommodate. You knew Vaidya was not there. You could have sent me a slip at least. You did not even send a slip.
Earlier,
For that, I am not responsible. If you wanted to here to come, what can I do? I cannot do. This is the way I proceed in this because I was very strict here. If I deviate from that, I have to allow so many members. Sorry. You can try also. Sorry, Minister.
Sir,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, over the
Yeah.
past,
That is my seat. Yeah. Please.
over the past 3 years, Deputy Chairman, sir, this government has thought out of the box and acted out of the box. And I don't know. The Congress government for a number of years tried to develop the country. अंदरूनी जानकारी हमें भी
That is.
over the last few decades, the Congress tried to bring forward the developmental agenda through the Planning Commission. This government has done away with the Planning Commission. And the reasons for that is not hard to find. There are a few senior leaders here who have been chief ministers in their earlier years of various states like Mr. Digvijay Singh, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad. And during the planning commission era, for getting block grants for their respective states, these chief ministers had to make a pilgrimage to the planning commission and meet the deputy chairman of the planning commission to try and evolve some funds for their states. Where the chief minister didn't go, the chief secretaries went. Where the chief secretaries didn't go, the secretaries went. It was a humiliating experience for any state which is a part of the federal structure to pilgrimage to Delhi and ask for funds for developing their own state. Because what we have done away, sir, we have done away with this humiliating experience. The states and the chief ministers and the secretaries and the chief secretaries are no longer required to go to the planning commission and ask for funds. Like I said, the government thought out of the box, and since our present Prime Minister was also at one time a chief minister and had to undergo these humiliating experiences, one of the first things that he did away with the humiliating agency. He did away.
No. You sit down. No, not going on record. Let the minister say. No, minister, don't be detracted. You address the chair. You address the chair. Don't be detracted by that. No more question. No more question. No. Minister, address the chair only. Don't be detracted by that. I allowed everybody.
But I can still hear him.
No.
When he's not been called.
No need. I have not allowed that question. Unless I allow the question, you need not reply.
Sir,
I am not allowing anybody else. Everybody who wanted to ask question asked.
When I began my statement, I said that please listen to me through, because this is, I know, an emotional issue with various members from various states. If I am going to say what I have to say, I need to say it in silence, without interruptions from members. So what I was trying to say was that there was a humiliating experience where chief ministers had to come to the planning commission for getting funds for their state. We have done away with this pilgrimage. And what we have done instead, sir?
No. This is not.
What?
Factories.